Hi everyone, welcome back to Danielle's Decor. Today I'm going to be working on a cloche for Easter. This weekend is Easter Sunday and I hope that everybody has a wonderful Easter, and remember the reason that we are celebrating this even in these hard times and the craziness that is going on. I found a couple things that I had purchased. Y'all, I haven't gone anywhere. I've been stuck at home for over a month now. I mean, this is crazy. I hope everybody is doing better than I am. I'm about to lose my mind. My husband is home all the time. My son is home all the time. And my house is dirty all the time. You don't realize how dirty people are until they're there all the time, just making messes, and you're going around behind them constantly. But anyway, I thought we'd go ahead and we'd work on this. I finished my Easter decorating. There isn't really much that I have to do. I didn't do a whole lot, especially in the living room. I just changed a couple areas, but I'll be bringing you guys that probably. I'm gonna try to get this one up today in real time. So today is Wednesday. Hopefully I will have this. It's almost 5 o'clock now while I'm recording, so it might be a little bit later in the evening when this one goes up. But when I'm finished with this, I'm gonna go in the living room and I'm gonna film a couple things that I'm doing out there. And then I'll try to have those up tomorrow and maybe even a video on Friday. So we're gonna try to hit Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. I can't talk. So y'all, it is warm out. It's beautiful. It's sunny. I thought I'm gonna go work outside today in the sunshine and get some fresh air and some sun, some vitamin D. And I stepped out the back door. I opened it up. And I looked down to step out onto the step, and a snake slithered right off the step. And I said, "Wow!" and ran back in the house and said, "No, I'm good. I'm gonna stay in here for right now." I don't do snakes, and they are out, and we have them around here, so it's crazy. I can't even go outside. The snakes and the wasps are really bad. So it's not one thing, it's another. So I'm holed up in the house. I figured I'd play around with this stuff instead of being outside today. But I did get out the other day and I got the yard mowed and we cleaned up around the yard and got the fire pit going, and we had a bonfire over the weekend. So it was nice. We sat out there and roasted hot dogs and marshmallows, made s'mores. I do enjoy the fire pit. You can't really use it in the summertime because the mosquitoes out here are horrible, but anyway, it's the best time to get out there right now because it's not too hot, it's not too cold, it's just right. Anyway, y'all, I'm burning up. I need a haircut, my hair's growing out. My nails, I seen Arlene did her nail video the other day. Kudos to you, Arlene, for doing that. These things, it's rough not being able to go to the nail salon and get your nails done. I don't have it with me, but I went to Dollar General and I bought like one of those acrylic nail kits, and I just kind of filed my nails down and I filled them in. So they still have, these are my real nails, and they have the acrylic over top of them to kind of make them a little bit thicker so that they don't break. So, it's rough. I miss going and having my nails done, but I'm hoping that these will hold up because I don't want to break my real nails. Of course, it's painful and they always break way back. But hopefully we can get things a-cracking and get this stuff out of here. I'm ready for it to go away. Coronavirus, see you later. But I hope everybody's doing well. I hope everybody's safe and healthy. So anyway, we're gonna get started on this. I'm gonna move you guys so that you can see what I'm doing. I might bring you down here a little bit lower because you're up on my tripod right now. But I'll bring you guys down lower and we'll try to figure something out. I'll be right back. Okay, I kind of got you guys sitting next to me. We're gonna start with my cloche. And this is the one that Dee from Feather Cottage with Dee bought me last year. And I wanted to make something inside this. I love this little cloche. It's so much fun to decorate. What I'm going to be using is one of these styrofoam things from Dollar Tree. I have that. I have a cross like this from Hobby Lobby. And I picked up some of these back before all this stuff started. They're little lambs. They were $3.99 and 40% off. So there's 3 little lambs. sitting inside there. And then I have some of these little moss stones from the Dollar Tree. So I thought maybe I'd use some of those. I have some of this faux moss, which this stuff is messy like that. I have a bag of that left. And I have a couple things of flowers. I don't know if I'm gonna put flowers in there, but I got a bag that's just got a bunch of random little flowers that are kind of off picks in there. So what I wanna do is I think I'm gonna cut this off. I don't have my scissors with me, but that'll work. So I'm just gonna cut the thing off of that. And I'm gonna take this, and I've already kind of peeled it off, but I'm just gonna wedge this down in here, like that. And that's gonna hold my cross. So we're gonna put that down in here. And I'm wondering if I can I'm gonna try to take some of this loose moss. I've got some down in here. And I wanted to try to put some around this. So I have my glue gun, and it's already heated up, but I just wanted to put a little bit of glue around this and see if we can take some of this moss and just kind of stick it over top and cover. I just want to cover the styrofoam. Kind of as best as I can. Like I said, this is messy, this base. So, and I think what I might do, I kind of think I want to glue this in here, but I'm just going to put a little, because I might want to try to pull it back out after. Maybe I can get the glue off of it. I just don't want it wobbling in there. And I was going to leave this plastic, but I think I'm going to take it off. And then I'm just going to try to cover all around this. It's sticking to me everywhere, look. So, we're just gonna try to get all this covered in moss. And I'm putting a lot on there, quite frankly, because I don't want to touch the glue. So, ow. Yeah, I was afraid that was gonna happen. And this isn't like the sheets where you just get, you know, one thing. It's all loose, which makes it a little bit more of a pain to try to fill. Down here, and just do this all the way around. Now that we have this, I don't know what this is said about. I'm going to push it towards the back, and I need to make sure that I stay on this ring right here so that I can get my cloche over the top. But I want to take, I'm going to take one of these little lambs. And I wanted him to sit up here some way. So I'm going to try to kind of spread this, smush it down so that he'll sit right there. Some of these little faux moss rock things. And I think I'm going to glue these You know, I'm just winging it. I want to take a little bit more moss. I'm going to fill out more towards the edge of my cloche. Do that all the way around. I'm just kind of setting it on there. I hope you guys can kind of see what I'm doing. I'll put a lot on there, but I'm just kind of building it down a little bit. I'm gonna take another little lamb. I'm gonna try to get him to sit like right there. And him to sit over here, like that. Yes. Okay. Let me turn this way. You can kind of see it. I'll take you guys down and pull you a little bit closer. But I'm going to take my cloche and put this back over the top so that it holds everything in there. I really don't know. I thought about putting flowers in it, but I don't know if I want to put flowers in it or not. Let me see what we got in here. Because they need to be little flowers. I don't want big, massive flowers taking over. Let's see what we got in here. I think all these are just too big. I'm trimming this one down so my flower will stand up. I don't know if I like the flowers or not. The other one. I don't know, I think I like those three like that. Just one there, and up that way. So, try to rip some of this stuff off here. And I'm gonna push that along over the top. There. see if I can turn this light off. There. No, you won't get such a glare. Can you see? I'm gonna take you guys down and I'll pull you in closer and show you what I did. I'll be right back. Well guys, here it is all finished. I'll kind of scooch in closer. Very simple, very pretty. I did clean that, it looks dirty, but I did clean the glass. It's just the way the light overhead shining on it. Anyway, I just thought that would be a super cute little idea for a cloche. You don't have to put the lambs in if you can't find them. The moss, if you have some laying around, and a little cross would be just as pretty. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Till next time, thanks for watching. Bye.